I've been in real estate for several years, and I recently chose to partner with Seaport because they give me more time to focus on my clients, and my clients are what's most important to me. With Seaport, there's so much one-on-one time with the broker, the marketing team, and the contract coordinator. It just makes your job as a real estate agent so much easier. After I got my first home under contract with Seaport, within 10 minutes my phone started going crazy. It was a contract coordinator sending emails to my lender, buyer, seller, closing attorney, everyone. She was even adding the dates to my calendar so I wouldn't miss any important dates throughout the process of the purchase. Then within the hour, I had a full suite of marketing collateral from our marketing team. I had brochures, flyers, documents, social media graphics, everything I could have needed. The quality of the marketing has been extremely elevated. Before Seaport, I did all of the marketing myself, and I'm not that great at it. Seaport is very technology forward. Their systems are very strong. All you have to do is make a quick phone call, and all of these things are done for you, from the contract to the marketing and everything in between. Most agents who work at other brokerages spend hours doing these things themselves. It takes away time from your client, building a relationship with them. It takes time away from your family. I feel like I can be much more productive with less work, and that's why I chose Seaport.